How to clean an oven with baking soda. There are a variety of methods to clean an oven, but many of those methods involve the use of chemicals. Using baking soda is a great, natural alternative to harsh chemicals. To clean your oven, coat the oven with a baking soda paste, let it sit overnight, and then complete the cleaning with white vinegar. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to coating the oven, wiping down the oven, and finishing with vinegar. Now let's get started. Things you'll need: baking soda, water, sponge, white vinegar, rubber gloves, spatula. Things you should know. 1. After clearing out old food and the oven racks from your oven, coat the appliance with a baking soda and water paste using rubber gloves or a clean spatula. 2. After leaving your paste overnight, wipe off the mixture using a rag and scrape off the excess with a spatula. 3. For a similar process, spray vinegar inside of your oven before wiping it down with a rag. Method 1. Coating the oven. Number 1. Take out the oven racks. You should also remove anything else that is inside the oven, such as pizza stones or oven thermometers. Check to make sure nothing is left inside of the oven before you begin cleaning. Number 2. Scrape out the loose build-up. You may have a lot of burnt food and build-up in your oven. Try to remove as much of the loose build-up as possible before applying the baking soda. Use a plastic or silicone spatula to scrape off the loose matter. You don't have to remove it all, just remove what is already loose or nearly loose. Number 3. Create a paste with baking soda and water. Mix half a cup, 170 g of baking soda with 3 tablespoons, 14.8 milliliters of water in a small bowl. Stir the mixture until it forms a paste that can be easily spread. Adjust the amount of water used if 3 tablespoons does not create a spreadable paste. Number 4. Spread the paste inside of the oven. You can spread the paste by hand if you're wearing rubber gloves. If that doesn't work for you, you can also spread the paste with a clean spatula. Coat the interior of the oven with the paste. Do not apply the paste to the heating elements. It's okay if the paste turns brown or is chunky in some areas of the oven. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Wiping down the oven. Number 1. Leave the paste on overnight. The paste works best if you allow it to sit overnight or for 12 hours. If you don't have that much time, you can let the paste sit for 40 minutes. You may have to repeat the process for a deep clean if you let it sit for a short amount of time, however. Number 2. Wipe off the baking soda. Use a damp cloth to wipe off the paste after you've let it sit. Use warm water to dampen the cloth. You may have to firmly scrub to get most of the paste off. Number 3. Scrape off the rest of the paste. You may have trouble getting all of the paste off with a damp cloth. If that's the case, use a spatula to get the rest of the paste off of the oven. There may be some leftover residue, but that's okay because you will use vinegar to remove it. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Finishing with vinegar. Number 1. Spray vinegar inside of the oven. Pour white vinegar into a spray bottle. Spray the vinegar over the areas where residue remains from the paste. The vinegar will cause the baking soda to foam up. Number 2. Wipe down the oven again. Use a damp cloth to wipe off the foamy areas of the oven. If residue remains, use more vinegar and then wipe again. Continue to wipe until your oven is clean. Number 3. Clean the oven racks. Sprinkle baking soda over the oven racks. Then, pour or spray white vinegar onto the racks. The baking soda should begin to foam. When that happens, submerge the racks into a tub or hot water. Allow the racks to sit in the water overnight. Number 4. Replace the oven racks. Once you are finished cleaning, put the oven racks back into the oven. You can also put back in whatever you've taken out of the oven. Your oven is now ready for use. Tips. 1. You may have to repeat the process again if you can't get the oven as clean as desired the first time. 2. Add 1/8 cup, 236.6 milliliters of liquid dish soap into the mixture if baking soda and water alone doesn't get the job done. Warnings. Be sure to use rubber gloves while you clean to avoid skin irritation. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.